5th February 2022. What we will do is, we will show you the position of the limb, ask you the phase of gait, the positions of the joints and the muscle acting. This is Dr. Naufal Nahas acting as a student. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra acting as an examiner. This is a person walking. We will observe on the right lower limb. This is the position in which the limb goes, the body goes. And Dr. Naufal, what phase of gait is this?
So we can see the right side is going on to the heel strike, going into the stance phase from the swing phase. And on the left side, you can see that the limb is in the terminal stance phase, probably the heel of phase.
Right. What is the position of the right hip?
So the right hip seems to be in some amount of flexion, probably around 20 to 25 degree of flexion. Whereas the knee is found to be in neutral position. Ankle also looks like it's in neutral position.
And the last question, which is the principal hip flexor?
So I think the iliopsoas acts as the principal hip flexor here, sir.
Right. So that's what we will do on 5th February. The phase of gait, the position of the joints, and which is the exact muscle acting here. And obviously, Dr. Naufal, who is acting as a student here, who himself is a teacher in many of the lectures, has answered everything perfect. See you.